Hi students, I welcome you all for the sessions. Today we'll be going to discuss on continuation on chapter 3, that is trigonometric functions. This is video number 5, that is part 5. So today we'll be going to discuss on topic trigonometric functions of sum and difference of two angles. Sum and difference of two angles. So here, and also we'll be going to derive the expressions. Along with this we are going to derive the expressions, and these the results of these the results or expressions or formulas will be called as a trigonometric identities. Okay, the formulas or expressions will be get from this concept. Those are called as trigonometric identities. Before that, so okay, here I want to discuss. So suppose this is an theta. Okay, this is an theta, and this side is having, suppose you this okay, this side is 3 meter. Okay, this side is this hypotenuse, this is a hypotenuse. So opposite to this angle is opposite side, and this is adjacent side. This one, okay, when we are resolving theta, when we are resolving this theta, so when you are resolving this, right? So when we are resolving this theta, then it becomes two components. One is x component and one is y component. Okay, one is x component and one is y component. So we are resolving a theta in two angles, right? Two different directions. So here, so it becomes a, this y axis becomes a, okay, y axis becomes a 3 sine theta, and x axis becomes a 3 cos theta. Okay, when we are resolving this 3, so 3 is at a angle, right? Here the distance 3 is at a angle. So when we are resolving this one, we will be getting two components, x component and y component, and this y component is 3 sine theta, and x component is cos theta. Why this is sine theta means it is opposite side. From the opposite side we are getting a sine theta. From the adjacent side is we are getting a cos theta. As we discussed about, opposite divided by hypotenuse is what? Sine theta. Okay, so means from the opposite we are getting sine theta, therefore it is sine theta. Here from the adjacent, so adjacent to the hypotenuse is what? Cos theta. Therefore adjacent, from the adjacent, cos theta getting. Therefore here I am writing x axis is a cos theta and y axis is a sine theta. Okay, so this is we are resolving two components. This, therefore it is 3 sine theta, 3 cos theta. In the same way, here I am going to discuss. So the first formula is already we discussed about this formula. Sine of minus x is equal to minus sine x, the first formula, and cos of minus x is cos x. Okay, these we need to prove. Okay, these we need to prove. So I will take a unit circle diagram. So this is a unit circle diagram means what? Here radius is, so radius is 1 unit, radius is 1 unit, and this is x-axis, and y minus x-axis, y-axis, and minus y-axis. Okay, and here I am taking somewhere point P. So the coordinates of the point is a comma b. Coordinates of the point is a comma b. So, and this arc, okay, this arc of the point, this length of the arc. So this length of the arc is equal to, this length of his arc is equal to theta. Okay, this length of arc is equal to theta. So, and previously we have discussed about, we proved that L is equal to R theta, right? In previous we discussed L is equal to R theta. If we put the value of R is equal to 1, then it is L is equal to theta. Length of the arc is equal to the radian angle. Length of the arc is equal to, which is equal to radian angle, which is equal to radian angle. So here, what is the, this is, what is the radius of this? It is 1, because wherever you take a one line here, okay, the your radius is same. Okay, radius is same in all, or in all circumference of a circle. So, and you take a triangle here, you take a triangle here. So triangle, this point is M and this point is O, and what is the side of this? Okay, if a point we are having point A comma B, means this is x value, this is y value, right? So means it is in x axis this is A, and in y axis, value is B. Understood? So now here, so here we can write from the Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras, from Pythagoras theorem, so OM square plus PM square is equal to this square of this square is equal to this square of the side. This, that is the Pythagoras theorem, OP square. Right, OM is what? So OM is A square. Okay, OM is A square, PM is B square. So OP square is what? 1 square. 1 square is 1 only. Okay, 1 square is 1 only. And if we resolving this one, okay, if we resolving theta is here, okay, 1. If we resolving here, okay, so I am writing here separately. Okay, separately I am writing. So here theta is here, B, A. I am resolving two component. Okay, I am resolving this in two component. This is 1. Okay, what it becomes? It is 1. Okay, it is 1 cos theta, 1 cos theta, and this is sorry, 1 sin theta. This is 1 sin theta, and this is 1 cos theta, 1 cos theta, 1 cos theta. So means what here? Okay, so this side A is equal to, okay, A is equal to cos theta. Okay, 1 cos theta is what? Cos theta. And B is what? Here B is this is equal to this. Okay, this side is equal to this side, and this is this. Okay, then it is cos square theta. B is what? Sin square theta is equal to 1. This is the another formula we got from here. So okay, so here this is the formula. Okay, this is the formula. So sometimes this is sometimes it will be asked, prove cos square theta, prove sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay, prove sin square theta cos square theta is equal to 1. Then we need to formula the same procedure. Okay, we need to follow the same procedure here. Now if we take the, okay, this point you understood, right? This point you understood. Triangle we are having, this is theta, this is side B, A, B, and this is A. When resolving this component, okay, here having hypotenuse 1, when resolving this theta in two component means it becomes here 1 is there. Okay, 1 into sin theta, 1 into sin theta, and 1 into sin theta. This is 1 into cos theta. Means this side is equal to A is equal to 1 cos theta, and B is equal to 1 sin theta. A is equal to 1 cos theta, and B is equal to 1 sin 1 B is equal to 1 sin theta. Therefore we can write here, so A is cos square theta, and sin square theta is equal to 1. Okay, understood. And if we take this negative angle, okay, suppose we are taking the negative angles. Okay, negative angle means what? Here minus theta. Okay, this is minus theta, this is minus theta. Then what is the coordinates here? What is coordinates? So coordinate A is what? X-axis. X-axis is positive. In this direction X-axis is positive. Okay, and B is what? Okay, B is downward direction means the Y-axis, it is minus B. Coordinates of this point is what? Coordinates of this point is A minus B. So A is what? So A is a cos theta. So A is cos theta means here, so cos of minus theta is, cos of minus theta is, we are having a value of A, and cos of minus sorry sin of minus theta is, we are having value of minus B. Right, we are having value of minus B. So A is what? A value is cos theta. Okay, here minus B is there. B value is what? B value is sin theta. So minus sin theta. Hence it is proved. Hence it is proved. So hence it is proved. So hence it is proved. So cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. Sin of minus theta is equal to theta. Okay, you just write here. Okay, write here. Replace theta by x. Replace theta by x. So replace theta by x, then it is cos of minus x is equal to cos x, and sin of minus x is equal to minus sin x. Okay, whatever the angle, whatever it may be, whether it is x, y, z, or whatever it may be. Okay, now this is proved. Now come to the now. Okay, we need to prove this equation, right? So cos of x plus y is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. To prove this, we need to take here a circle. Okay, a radian circle. Radian means 1 unit. Okay, so radian circle of a 1 unit circle. Okay, this circle is having 1 unit of a circle. Means radius is equal to 1. Okay, radius is 1 unit here, and So here I am taking point, this point, okay, here point as P4. So P4 is what here unit is having, x-axis we are having 1 unit, means it is 1 comma 0, y-axis is 0 here, this is origin. So origin, this is y-axis is 0 here, then it is x-axis is 1 comma 0, and now I'm taking here somewhere point here. So okay, this point is called P1. Suppose you take this is from here to here, so here to here, so here to here angle is what, x. Okay, angle is x. Suppose you take this angle is 120 degree. Okay, 120 degree. Okay, we don't know, so just I am writing it is more than P1. I am taking at a more than the 90 degree, and this is the x angle. And another point I'm taking somewhere here, so which is more than the 180 degree. So okay, and this angle is called this angle is from here to here is y. And what about from here to here angle is x plus y. Okay, this is x plus y. And from the negative axis, okay, this side negative axis I am taking somewhere more than minus 90. So here another point I am taking. Okay, this from here to here, the angle is minus y. Angle is minus y, and this point is P1. This point is I am taking P2. Okay, P2, and this point is P3. I'm taking. Okay, P3. And what is the coordinates of this point? So coordinate of this point is, so cos x and sin x. Okay, cos x and sin x. And what is the coordinate of this point? So the coordinate of this point is cos of x plus y, right? Cos of x plus y, and sin of x plus y. Understood? So this angle is from here to here is x plus y. Okay, now if what is the coordinates of the third point, P3 point? It is cos of minus y, cos of minus y, and then sin of minus y. Understood? And now if we join this P1 and P3, so this P1 and P3 are the okay, if we join this P1 and P3, I'm joining P and P1 P3. Okay, and joining this P2 P4. Okay, so here two triangle we got. So one is P1O P3 and P2O P4. Two triangle we got. Okay, so these two triangles are equal. P1, so these two triangles P1 is equal to P2 P4 are equal. So these two triangles are equal. Now I am taking the square of this triangle. So P1 P3 square. So P1 P3 square, how I am writing? So by using distance formula, so P1 P3, okay, P1 and P3, so using, we have to take the difference of difference of the square. So cos x cos y. Okay, I'm taking here, so I'm taking here, so cos x minus, so minus cos of minus y square. Okay, and second term, this minus this square, this minus this sin x minus sin of minus y, sin of minus y square. Understood? So now this is in the formula of I'm simplifying this one. This is cos x. So cos of minus y is what? So cos of minus y already we discussed about, right? Cos of minus x is what? Cos x. Okay, this is cos x, means it is positive. Cos y, this is square. Okay, then it is sin x. Sin x, sin of minus y is what? So we know that the sin of minus x is minus sin x. We know that, right? So then it is minus minus is plus. Then it is sin y. Sin y is equal to square. Now it is in the formula of a minus b whole square and a plus b whole square, right? So now we do the a minus b whole square and a plus b whole square. Then it is a square plus b square minus 2ab minus 2ab. Understood? Now the second one is it is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, plus 2ab sin x sin y. Now this cos x square and sin x square is 1, and cos y square and sin y square is 1. 1 plus 1 we got. Okay, because we know sine square x plus cos square x is equal to 1 from the previous derivation, right? From the previous derivations here, sine square theta and cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay, whatever it may be, theta or x are the same here. Angle, whatever it may be, x, theta or y, okay, whatever it may be, here we got, so 1 plus 1, and here remaining term is minus, so 2 here, 2 cos x cos y and 2 sin x sin y. Minus 2 taking uncommon, so minus 2 taking common means this becomes a positive cos x cos y, and this becomes second minus. Okay, then it is minus. Okay, sin x sin y. Understood. So this is becomes 2 minus 2 of cos x cos y and minus sin x sin y. Understood. Now I am writing, this is equation number 1. Okay, now we can take p1 p3 square we have taken. Now we have to take p2 p4 square. Okay, p2 p4 square, p2 p4 square. Why I am taking square of this? Square of this means, sorry, this is a distance formula. Okay, you will understand why I'm taking. So now this p2 p4, so p2 p4 is what, here p2 is there and p4 is there, so I'm taking p 1 minus of this. Okay, I'm taking 1 minus of this term and 0 minus of this term. Okay, so 1 minus of cos of x plus y. Okay, square, and second term is 0 minus of 0 minus of x plus y square. Okay, so now this is in formula for a minus b whole square, right? So a minus b whole square is a square plus b square. B square is the cos square of x plus y, and minus 2ab cos x plus y. Okay, now this is minus 0 is here, minus of a square is plus. Okay, minus of a square is plus, then it is a sine square of x plus y. Now the here the cos x plus y and sin x plus y. Okay, it is 1, right? It is 1, so 1 plus 1. And here the minus 2 cos x y remains. Okay, okay, we know that the sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Then here cos square x plus y and sine square x plus y, whether it may be one single angle, two angle, whatever it may be, same. So sin x xy plus cos x y plus y, it is one only. Okay, the angles is single or double, the formula is same only. Now this equation number is 2. Now we can equate these two formula. Equation 1, equate to equation 1 and 2. So now we can write this equation here, 2 minus of 2 cos 2 minus of 2 to cos x cos y in bracket sin x sin y. Okay, sin x sin y. Now this equation is 2. Okay, this is 1 plus 1 is what? 1 plus 1 is 2 here. Okay, 2 minus of 2 is 2 cos x plus y. Understood. So now, so here 2 will be get cancelled. Okay, 2 will be get cancelled. 2 will be get cancelled, and here we are having minus 2. Sorry. Okay, here. Okay, so I will take this 2 will be get cancelled, and this minus 2 will be get cancelled. Only remaining term you will be having cos x cos y minus sin x sin y is equal to cos of x y. Okay, cos of x plus y. Therefore cos of x plus y we can write is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Hence it is proved, right? Hence it is proved. We have been proved the derivation cos of x plus y is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Okay, hence it is proved. Hence it is we have you have to remember this formula. Okay, and the fourth equation is that fourth we have to write here cos of x minus y is cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Prove this one. Okay, prove this one. How you can prove? So if in your examinations will be asked, we have to follow the same procedure here. Okay, follow the previous method. Okay, the previous okay, the all the same method we have to repeat. Okay, the same previous method we have to report from, and then finally we get cos of x plus y is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y will be get. Okay, in this equation we have to replace y by minus y. Okay, y by minus y we have to replace. Okay, y we have to replace y by minus y, then it is cos x, then it is y becomes a minus y becomes a minus y, and this is a cos x cos y is minus y put. Okay, minus sin x, then sin y is minus y, then it is cos x minus y is equal to cos x. Cos of minus y is what? Cos y. Okay, we know that because cos already previous formula we had derived. Cos of minus x is what? A cos x. Sin of minus x is what formula? It is minus sin x. It is minus sin x. Okay, now this sign of minus y is minus sin x, then minus into minus is a plus, therefore sin x plus sin y, therefore it is proved, right? It is proved. Cos of x minus 1 x minus y is cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. When minus comes here, plus will come. Okay, when plus is there, minus will come. Okay, this is proved. Okay, this is proved. Now next we'll be going to discuss on another expression. Okay, another expression. So fifth one, so the another expression is fifth one. So we need to prove cos of pi by 2 minus x is sin x. Okay, we need to prove cos of minus pi by 2 minus x is equal to sin x. Okay, we have, okay, so we have, so sorry, okay, we need to prove this one. So here, so here replace, so here replace x by, okay, x by pi by 2, sorry, okay, so sorry here, okay, cos of pi by 2 minus x is equal to sin x. We need to prove this one. So this is in the formula for, this is in the formula of cos of x minus 1. Okay, this is x term and y term, and what is the formula for cos of x minus y? Cos x cos y and plus sin x sin y. This is in the formula of like this. So here x is what? Here x is pi by 2. Okay, this x is pi by 2, y is x. Okay, y is x. Okay, we have to replace x by pi by 2 by x, and okay, so we have to replace x by pi by 2 and y by x. So therefore it is x is what? Pi by 2, and y is what? X. Y is what? X. Therefore here cos x is pi by 2 and cos y is cos x, and this is a sin x is what? Pi by 2, and y is what? Y is x. Okay, now so this, okay, so cos 90 is what? Pi by 2 means what? Cos 90. Cos 90 is what? Okay, cos 90 value is what? 0. Okay, this is 0. This term will become a 0. And this sin pi by 2 is what? Sin 90 is 1. Okay, sin 90 is 1. then it is 1 into sin x. Therefore, it is sin x. Hence, it is proved. Hence, it is proved. Hence, this one is proved. Now, we'll be going to discuss the sixth formula is the sine of pi by 2 minus x is equal to cos x. We need to prove this one. How we can prove this one? So, uh, we know that. So we know that. So we know that. So here, okay. So we know that sine of okay. We know that we need to prove this one. We need to prove this means what? How I can write the sine pi by 2 minus x. Okay, so this is okay. So this is I can write. Okay, this is I can write. Okay, this whole term as x. Okay, this whole term as x. And from the previous we know that from the previous we know that cos of pi by 2 minus x is what? Sin x. So sin x means here this term is sin x. So this term is sin x. This means what? It is cos sin x is equal to cos pi by 2 pi by 2. Okay, sin the pi by 2. This is x term is what? Pi by 2 minus x. Pi by 2 minus x. Then here pi minus will be cancelled this concept. Okay, now we'll be going to derive or prove the equation seventh one. Okay, the seventh one expression is we need to prove sine of x plus y is equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Okay, we need to prove this one. How we can prove? Okay, we know that sin x is what? Sin x is cos of pi by 2 minus x. Okay, we know that this one as in the previous fifth one. Okay, fifth formula cos of pi by 2 minus x is sin x. Therefore, we can write sin x is equal to pi by 2 minus x. We can write sin x is equal to cos pi by 2 minus x. Okay, now this given is what? Sin x plus y is given. Sin x plus y they have been given. And this how we can write in this form? In this form, how we can write? It is we can write a cos of pi by 2. Here x means what? Here x plus y. Okay, x minus of x plus y. Okay, minus x plus y. Okay, so here pi by 2 minus x. X is what? Here x plus y. X plus y. Okay. Now this cos of pi by 2 minus x plus y I will write in this form. Okay, pi by 2. So pi by 2. So minus x I will take here, and minus here minus y term I will write separately. I will write separately. So now this is in the which form? Okay, this is in the, so this term which is in cos of x minus y, this is in the form of cos of x minus y. This whole term is x and this is y term, right? Cos of x minus y, here x term is there, right? So this whole term is x, this y term, then cos of x minus y is what formula? Cos of x minus y is cos x cos y. Okay, plus already we have derived this equation sin x sin y. Okay, put these value in these equations. Okay, put these value in these equations. So here cos of x minus y means cos x cos y. Cos x is what? Pi by 2 minus x. Pi by 2 minus x. Cos y is y. Okay, and plus sin x is what? X is pi by 2 minus x, and sin is sin y. Understood? So this is clear. Now how we can write this one? So cos of pi by 2 minus x is what? Is a sin x, right? Is a sin x. So this formula cos of pi by 2 minus x is sin x. So this is sin x cos y. And sin of pi by 2 minus x is what? Sin of pi by 2 minus x is what? Cos x. Okay, this is also this sixth one. sixth one formula. Okay, sine of pi by 2 minus x is cos x. Okay, this is cos x. Then it is sine y. Hence it is proved. Okay, sine of x plus y is equal to sine x cos y cos x cos y. This is proved. Okay, now come to the this eighth one. So that is sine of x minus y. Okay, sine of x minus 1. So here plus we have taken. Now we are taking a minus here. So then sine of x minus y is sine x. Here minus will come. Okay, sine x cos y minus cos x sine y. Okay, we have to prove in the same here. So because so here sine of x minus y, sine of x minus y, I am writing this in a form of sine of x minus y, sine of x minus y, I will write as a cos of pi by 2 minus of x minus y. I can write, right? So I can write, because cos of pi by 2 minus x is what? Sine x. Okay, I can write this. Okay, pi by 2 minus y. Now if I will solve this one, pi by 2 minus x. Okay, this is separately pi by 2 minus x. X term I will write separately, y term I will write separately. Minus by into minus plus. So it is plus y. This is in the formula of what? This is in the formula of x plus y. X plus y formula is what? Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Okay, sin y. So we need to write in this formula. Okay, we need to write in this formula. Cos x is what? Cos x is what? Pi by 2 minus x. Cos y only. And here minus x is what? Pi by 2 minus x, pi by 2 minus x, and sin y is sin y. So cos of pi by 2 x is what? Sin x. So sin x cos y. Okay, and sine of pi by 2 minus x is cos x. Cos x is sin y. Hence it is proved. Okay, now going to derive the ninth one expression, that is tan of x plus y is equal to tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus of tan x tan y. Okay, we have to prove tan of x plus y is equal to tan x plus y divided by 1 minus tan x tan y. So this tan x plus y I am writing in the form of a sine. Okay, sine of x plus y and cos of x plus y. Okay, we, because the tan is what? Sine by cos. And now we know the formula of sine of x plus y. What is the formula for the sine of x y? Sine x cos y plus cos x sine y. Okay, formula as previous we have been derived right here. So in 8th is sine of minus xy here. In 7th formula we have been derived sine of x plus y is cosine x cos y cos x sin y. This is the same thing I am writing here. Okay, and what is the cos of x plus y formula? Cos of x plus y formula is cos x cos y. Here minus will come sin x sin y. Okay, sin x sin y. Okay, this term, what we divide, this both term divide. So divide by, so here tan x will come. So if we divide cos x, so cos x, okay, then it will become as tan x, and y cos y cos y. Then if cos y y will be get cancelled. Okay, if I divide this term cos x, then it will be sin by cos x is tan x, cos by cos y will be get cancelled. Okay, divide by both terms by cos x cos y. Okay, both term by cos x cos y. Then I can write here sin x cos y divided by cos x cos y, and second term is also cos x sin y divided by cos x, okay, cos y. All term I am dividing by cos x cos y. Okay, cos x cos y and cos x cos y, and here minus sin x sin y divided by cos x cos y. Okay, here y cos y cos y will be get cancelled, and sin x by cos x is what? Tan x, and here cos x cos x will be get cancelled. Sin y cos y is what? tan y. Okay, so this cos x cos x will be cancelled, cos bar cos y will be get cancelled. It is 1 minus sin x by cos x is tan x, and here sin y and cos y are tan y. Okay, sin by cos is tan. Okay, now this is proved, hence this is ninth one is proved. Okay, ninth one is proved. Now we see the 11th one. Okay, so 11th one is tan of x minus y is equal to tan x minus tan y 1 plus tan x tan y. Same, in the same manner we have to prove this one. Okay, in the same manner here, tan of x minus y I can write is a, yeah, sin of x minus y divided by cos of x minus y. This is the formula of sin of x minus y. Sin of x minus y is what? Sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Okay, and cos of x minus y's formula is what? Cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Okay, this is the formula. And divide this term, divide this whole both term by cos x cos y. Okay, cos x cos y. Then this sin x cos y divided by cos x cos y minus cos x sin y and divided by cos x cos y. Okay, so then this is cos x cos y divided by cos x cos y plus sin x sin y divided by cos x cos y. Then here this cos y will be get cancelled. Then sin x by cos x is tan x. Here minus cos x will be get cancelled. Sin by cos is what? Tan y. Tan y is here. Here this will be get cancelled. Cos will be get cancelled. 1 plus sin by cos x is tan x. Sin y by cos y is tan y. Okay, this is proved. Hence this is proved. Okay. Okay, now I'm closing these sessions, and next class will be also will be how to derive another other formulas. So other formulas will be going to derive in next class. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for the notifications. Please do share the video with your friends and make the like video. Thank you.